Hey, how's it going? This is Aaron over at Booyah Farms. I'm just going to do a quick video on picking some tomatoes out of this garden. It's doing okay, but it's gotten hot here all of a sudden. You can see we got a little El Scorcho action here. We got some other tomatoes there. But things like this basil is growing underneath it. And if you look over here, down there's some beans coming up, and there's a lot of new growth, and this stuff looks really hit hard by the heat, but it should keep going. I mean, once the monsoon kicks off and we get the humidity, we will actually get a lot more tomatoes out of this. But I'm going to go through and pick some tomatoes, and we'll see what we got. Alright, so we're back. Look at here. I just picked those tomatoes. These tomatoes, I kind of wanted to go through here and clean this all out because I've been finding some overripe tomatoes in this patch. And this is what I got just from cleaning it out. I'm going to have to go back through here in another day or two just to pick more tomatoes. We've been coming out here every day for about 2 weeks picking fresh tomatoes. Went through, cleaned this thing out. I got some nice sized ones. Actually, that'll be BLT night. We're gonna have BLTs, and these tomatoes are doing all right. This is not my best tomato patch, but it's not the worst. And honestly, I think when the monsoon starts, this thing's probably going to get better. If not, we'll find out. But I want to show you guys a couple things. So we got this tomato here. Not totally ripe yet, right? And look, stem not on it. Now we got this tomato right here. Stem is stuck on it. Perfectly ripe tomato. You can just pluck that out of your garden and eat it. And then we got this guy right here. Overripe tomato. Pulled on him. The stem's still on the plant. It pulled the guts out of the tomato. Been sitting there too long. But anyways, that's another tomato harvest. We've been pulling tomatoes out of this every day for 2 weeks. And we're going to keep pulling tomatoes out of this thing pretty much for the whole summer. So enjoy. Have a good day.